Coming to the snakes, do you know anything about snakes of AP? Anyone? Okay, I'll tell you. More than 40 species of snakes are found in AP, and altogether in India there are more than 280. But believe me, amazingly, only 4 of them are deadly in AP. If you are able to identify these 4 venomous species, you are safe of snakes. In AP, 4 ऐसे प्रजाति है सांपों में, they are deadly, they can kill human beings. Okay, so coming to the first one is the spectacled cobra. Second one comes the common krait. Third one, Russell's viper, a very dangerous snake. Last one is the saw-scaled viper. Coming to the snake show, we are now going to show you 5 different species of snakes, both venomous and non-venomous, which are very commonly available in Hyderabad and Secunderabad. The first snake comes the common Indian rat snake. This is a rat snake, common Indian rat snake. Hindi में इसको धामिन कहते हैं, तेलुगु लो जेरिपोतो अंटाరు దీన్ని. This snake looks like an aggressive snake, but this can grow up to 12 feet in length. Absolutely harmless, non-venomous snake. You can easily make out the snake. Look at the head region and the tail region carefully. It has got black stripes. Head region दगरा, tail region दगरा. Head के पास और tail के पास काले लकीर दिखेंगे. इसको देखते ही आप लोग spectacled cobra, नाग सांप जो है वो समझते हैं. It is oftenly mistaken as a cobra. Okay, I'll come to the point. This is a red sign boa. हिंदी में इसको दो मुआ सांप कहते हैं. तेलुगुलो रेंडु तलल पाम अंटारो. The name suggests that this snake has 2 heads, but in reality this snake doesn't have any 2 heads. The tail region looks exactly similar to the head region that human beings and other predators, they can't make out at the first instance that this snake has single head. Okay, and of course the tail region is used as a self-defense mechanism. When the snake is in the forest, it coils up and hides the head region inside its body, and the tail region will be perfectly visible. Okay, so what the predator thinks, this is the tail, this is the head, and straight away it attacks the tail region. It's just a mistake, and it's a self-defense mechanism. We'll show you the first deadly snake, first venomous snake, a very common venomous snake that is found in Hyderabad and Secunderabad. The most common snake that you come across day-to-day life. So the first snake is a member of big 4 venomous species. The first snake is a spectacled cobra. Okay. తెలుగులో దీన్ని నాగపాము అంటారు, తాజ్పాము కూడా అంటారు. हिंदी में इसको नाग कहते हैं. It is a deadly snake. It can grow up to 7 feet in length. 7 feet तक बढ़ सकता है ये सांप. It has got a very beautiful description on its neck region. That is, it can expand its neck region. It is called the hood. We'll show you the next snake, which is much more deadlier than a spectacled cobra. It is more deadlier than a spectacled cobra. The next snake, even the next snake is a member of big 4 venomous species of India. The next snake is the Russell's viper. It is a very aggressive, very dangerous snake. So the next snake is the Russell's viper or a chained viper. तेलुगुलो దీన్ని రక్తపుంజరా అంటారు. हिंदी में इसको दबोया या तो फिर घोनस कहते हैं. It is a very deadly snake. Okay, this snake is responsible for the maximum number of snake bites in AP. Look at the snake very carefully. It comes under the Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act 1972. So it is a very severely protected species. गुंडे सिंह अंटाరు తెలుగులో, हिंदी में अजगर कहते हैं, हस्ता कहते हैं इसको. It is a juvenile specimen. It can grow up to 25 feet. Okay.